In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive a chat in Lark. Here's the key thing to know right up front. Lark doesn't currently offer a traditional archive feature like you might see in apps such as WhatsApp or Telegram. There isn't an archive button, and there's no archive folder where conversations get tucked away. If you've been looking for it in menus or settings and coming up empty, you're not missing anything. This option simply isn't part of Lark's current interface or official help documentation. So what can you do instead? There are two practical approaches that cover most needs. First, you can clear chat messages or delete specific messages. Clearing removes the conversation history in that thread, giving you a clean slate without creating a separate archive space. Deleting, on the other hand, targets individual messages, which is helpful when you only need to remove a few items. Before you confirm either action, take a moment to review the prompts on screen so you understand whether the change is permanent and how it affects other participants, since options can vary by platform and permissions. If you might need details later, consider copying key information somewhere safe before you clear a chat or delete a message. The second approach is to pin chats you want to keep handy. Pinning lifts important conversations to the top of your list, which can function like a personal priority view. This is especially useful if you're using archiving in other apps to keep important threads visible while pushing everything else down. With pinning, you get a similar result. Your must-see chats stay front and center, and you can unpin them anytime when priorities change. It's a simple way to organize your inbox without moving conversations to a separate area. To recap, there's no official archive feature in Lark right now, and it's not shown in Lark's help or FAQ pages. Many users expect it, but it isn't available in the current version. If archiving is critical to your workflow, keep an eye on Lark's release notes for future updates. In the meantime, clearing or deleting messages will help you manage clutter, and pinning will help you keep essential threads within easy reach. That's all you need to manage chats effectively in Lark without an archive. Use clearing or deleting when you want fewer messages in a thread, and pinning when you want important conversations at the top. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you stay organized.